Hi friends, welcome to day 3 of Mama Elephant's May 2024 release. Today we are introducing Celebrating You and its coordinating creative cuts. And we're also introducing the 6 scallop window creative cuts. And this is what the sentiments look like when all stamped out. I just love the combination of the different fonts included in this set. Now let's take a closer look at the 6 scallop window. I absolutely love this beautiful new die set, and I think it can be used in so many different ways. Now let's make a card. I am starting out with 2 Kraft panels of a standard size card base. Over top, I'm blending about 1/3 of Kitsch Flamingo Distress Oxide ink. Next, I'm blending about 1/3 of the card in Spun Sugar Distress Oxide ink. The top we are leaving just as is. Next, I'm blending some clouds on my panel. For this, I'm using a white pigment ink and a stencil. In between, I'm trying to line up my clouds with the 6 scallop window. And that finishes the ink blending. Off screen, I splattered my panel with some white and pink metallic watercolor paint. For today's card, I colored up some golden oldies. This is the hot air balloon stamp set. And that finishes the coloring for today. Now it's time to assemble our cards. To add the images to my card, I'm using a combination of foam tape as well as liquid glue. And that finishes my 2 cards for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. Please consider leaving a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. This release will be available from the 15th of May, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of May introductions. Bye!